Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this approved used Audi Q7 Vorsprung 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With this being the black edition, you do get the black edition specific alloy wheels as well as gloss black styling on the doors, front and rear bumpers as well as the black badges. From the 3-litre V6 you get 335 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous HD Matrix LED headlights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition, and they also include the Audi laser lights. On all four corners you will find these black edition specific 22-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in matte titanium with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and the gloss black styling. Also being a Vorsprung, you do get these rather fantastic side steps as well as the black window surrounds, black roof rails and the darkened rear glass. And to top it all off, you get the panoramic glass sunroof to let maximum sunlight and fresh air into the cabin. Also fitted this vehicle are these soft closed doors, so you don't have to worry about waking any sleeping passengers in the back. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the touch of a button if your hands are full, and it reveals plenty of boot space for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, weekly family shop, and the rear seats fold up so you have a 7-seater at your preference using the electrically folding rear seats. The interior is finished in full black perforated leather with the diamond cut contrasting stitching, with more gloss black on the door handles and the centre armrest with dual cup holders and dual climate control and outer heated seats in the back so the rear passengers can be maximum comfort. All three of the middle seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 3 child seats in the rear of the vehicle should you choose to. Also fitted in the rear are these rather fantastic sun visors to prevent those smaller passengers being blinded by the sun when you're out and about on the road. In the front, with the leather S-line steering wheel with the multifunction controls with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are super sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are also perforated, and these are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support and massage feature, and both driver and passenger can have 2 levels of preset for if you have multiple drivers. Also fitted to this vehicle are the Bang & Olufsen premium surround sound system, making every drive a rolling concert. Just above the driver's view we have the heads-up display offering all important information in your eye line. With the multifunction controls you can change the view of the Audi virtual cockpit to your preference, and on the right is your volume and voice controls to mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation, meaning you never miss a notification or junction on the motorway. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and as you can see this vehicle is fitted with adaptive air suspension which goes up and down depending on your choice. Also fitted is the 360-degree camera system, so you never have to worry about damaging that precious paint and bodywork. And you also have the Audi Park Assist which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is follow the prompts on screen to change gear, accelerate and brake when told to. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heated and cooling effects, perfect for those cold winter mornings and hot summer days. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q7 Vorsprung at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team to arrange a test drive or answer any questions.